Okay, guys, welcome to Mad Videos. Tonight we are dining at a Michelin starred restaurant. This is called Midwinter Khao Yai and is located in Khao Yai, Nakhon Ratchasima province in Thailand. This place is beautiful and it gets even better once it gets dark. You just wait and see. It's a beautiful place, that is for sure. I don't know if this building is old or it was built to look old, but it's a magnificent building. I chose to eat outside. As you can see, there is live music here as well. I chose to eat outside, which was a good choice. They do have a light show that starts at 6:45 every day, and that's pretty cool. But inside is really nice as well. A bunch of different rooms, the bar, everything is really nice. This is the parking lot. The parking lot is huge. Here we are looking at the old building, or is it a new building that looks old? The front door, when you go inside here, looks like an igloo. Look at that. That's really cool, man. Reservations are not required, but if you really want to eat here, especially if it's on a weekend or a long weekend, reservation's a good idea. This place is busy. There's the bar. This is a gift shop slash bakery. Yeah, some pretty nice stuff in there, that's for sure. One of the complaints, or a common complaint on this place online, is the price. And it is a little bit pricey, but considering the quality they put out, the nice place, and the Michelin star, I think it was pretty reasonable. We'll get to the price of the food I had in a minute. Can sit inside. I think outside is much better. There's some of the bakery items. Looks pretty good, don't it? Yeah, some cheesecake would be nice. There's the bar. Not very busy then, but after it got dark, it was quite busy. There's the outside again. A lot of tables, man. A lot of tables. And they do grow food there as well. Down the back, I didn't get to see that part. I looked at a lot of food as I was walking around making this video. And the food looked spectacular. Everything that I saw looked delicious, with the exception of the steak. I only saw one person order steak. It was a T-bone and it did not look good at all. And it's the only thing on the table that family did not finish. There was a bunch of them. They had a mountain of food, and the only thing not finished was the steak. I'm glad I didn't order the steak. Here's the food I ordered. Looks pretty good, don't it? This cost about 1,500 baht just for the food. I can't remember exactly, but that's about the price. We'll start with some ribs. These were fall off the bone. If anything, in my opinion, overcooked. They were really good, though. That's for sure. I do wish I ordered the pork knuckle instead. That was the best thing I saw there, was the German pork knuckle. Just by looking at it, it looked amazing. But these ribs were really good as well. You know, finger licking good, you can't go wrong with that, right? This is spicy shrimp. The shrimp is really good, but all that green, that's chilies. It's very, very spicy. I smartened up after this and ate around the chilies. It was really, really good though. And the star of the evening, this is stir-fried seafood. And it was really, really good. Like I said, the star of the evening, the best thing on the table was this dish. Amazing how good the squid was, considering how far this is from the ocean. Absolutely delicious this was. The place wasn't full when I was there, but as the evening went on, after it got dark, it was really close outside to being full. That's where they do the light show. We'll get to that in a minute. As you can see, not much survived, only the chilies. This was really good, that's for sure. Here we are, just getting dark. Not many empty tables at that point. And this is when for me anyway, this is when it looks the best. Just at sunset. This is down the back. I didn't go down there. They have bikes you can rent and all kinds of stuff. And apparently they grow their own produce there as well. Looks pretty nice, yeah? Like a castle. That's the outdoor bar. I was sitting right next to that. At 6:45 every day, I don't know if they only do it once a day or not, but at 6:45, this is the light show. It runs for 4.5 minutes, and it's got copyright music in it, so I couldn't show all of it. But it's really, really cool. Much better than I expected. I knew this was going to happen, but this was much better than I expected. Really cool. Live music, I'll give them 5 out of 10. It was like restaurant music, I guess. Just kind of, it was there, it wasn't exciting. But overall, this place is awesome. It was an awesome night out. I'd gladly go back again, that's for sure. The price, I think the price was reasonable. I know a lot of people complained about the price. But considering what it is, where it is, the Michelin star, all of that stuff, the price is pretty fair. My food cost 1,500 baht. That's about $50. If you're adding drinks and wine and stuff like that, the price will go up dramatically, that's for sure. All right, guys, there it is. One last look. Looks pretty nice, don't it? As always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. This was a very nice evening with some delicious food. But I wish I ordered the German pork knuckle. It looked amazing, it really did.